What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Slev coming at you today with a new video. It's called We're going to be unboxing the Cosmic Slumber Tarot. I got my handy dandy X-Acto knife here. I haven't really seen too much of this deck, just from the photos that I've seen when I ordered it, like a few cards here and there. Also, the last video, for some reason, I did put 4K because it was a 4K video, but for some reason it didn't upload the 4K copy. It just uploaded the 1080p version, and I believe that was for the anime tarot. I'm thinking of re-uploading that, so that way the full 4K version can be viewed. But I don't know. You guys tell me if I should re-upload that video. I don't know. Also, I'd like to thank you for coming in today. I hope you're having a beautiful day, afternoon, night, wherever you are in the world. Okay, let's get to it. I'm really excited, as you can tell. Like, I'm trying to rush through shit. Okay, so how are we going to open this? Let's see here. Let's go ahead and go through here. And I'm only going to do halfway this time around. And you'll see why in just a second. There we go. I actually like to keep like the plastic on my decks. Okay. Now, we're going to do some operating here. So I'm going to open this up right here. And then I'm going to slide my X-Acto knife over here to this little edge. If I can get it over. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just go from the top then. There we go. Because this right here is has like a little flap that just opens up. So that's why I'm trying to be very, very careful. There we go. All right. Wow, that was crazy and boring. Okay, so let's open this up. Opens up like this, as you can see. Then it pulls out from here. And you got the nice little designs on the inside. And it's magnetic, so. Okay. And you got the little booklet over here, and then you got the deck of cards right here. Now, from looking at the cards, it looks as though some are taller. Like this row right here looks as though it's taller, if you can see. Yeah, you can definitely see. These cards are raised. but it looks like it's only 2 cards. Let's see. All right. There we go. Let's see here. Yep. Definitely taller. Standing on its own, yeah, it's definitely got some taller cards. Or, well, really just one. And I could probably fix that with the X-Acto knife and just shave it down, since it's just the one. But that's pretty wild. Oh no, it is the both of them. I would need to use the X-Acto knife and just cut the tops off. I'll probably end up laying them down. Anyway, this is the back of the cards. This is the book right here. Let's see here. Contents. Okay, so it's in color. So you got the table of contents, the introduction, the cards. Alright. This is really nice. I actually kind of like these types of books with the hardcover like this. So far, the packaging alone is at a 10 out of a 10. This, I believe, is the best packaging I've had for any of my tarot decks, to be honest. And I had some like the Star Tarot, the Mystical Manga Tarot. They all have like their little, the boxes and everything like that. But nothing like this before. You know what I'm saying? There's this really premium unboxing right here. Okay, let's take this plastic off and let's get into it. As you can see, we got these last 2 cards here, which are taller than the rest, which is very weird. And it seems they're actually misshaped too. That's a shame. Oh boy. Okay, hold on. Okay, maybe it's because they were stuck together. Let's see. Oh, nope, they're fine. It was because they were stuck together. Okay, that's what it was. But yeah, these are completely flush. Alright. That's a win. Let's continue. Now, this is very vibrant, I must say. And the cardstock, it feels like how would I? It feels kind of plasticky, but like these are like these feel like professional playing cards. Like they got the glossiness to them, so when you shuffle, it's gonna be a real nice shuffle. You know, when you, yeah, it feels really good. Let's see, is it okay? Yeah, I'm not gonna shuffle just yet, but I'm just checking. Ooh, okay. So be careful when you shuffle these, because I don't know if you heard that, but they had like this little snap to them just now. But maybe it's because I gotta go through them and see. All right, the moment you guys have all been waiting for, like 9 minutes in. Let's go. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just super hyped. Trying to get better at these reviews. You know what I'm saying? All right, here we go. So we got the Fool, Magician, High Priestess, the Empress, Emperor. Ooh. Ah, see, yeah, they're stuck together, so. Hierophant. Okay, give me a second, guys. I'm going to, alright. I'm gonna have to separate the major from the minor really quickly and make sure that all these cards are separated. Good thing is, oh wow, I'm looking at these cards right here, and these are nice, man. I'll tell you, very nice. Okay, here we go. These actually feel like they're gonna be prone to bending, or maybe not. Maybe they're gonna be at least strong enough as my Light Seers Tarot. Anyway, let's see. So we got the Lovers, Chariot, the Strength, the Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice. I love that. That's cool. He's like being like, yeah, that's so cool. I like that. That's pretty neat too. Okay, the Hanged One. Oh wow, look, it has a face at the bottom. I love this Death card. This is dope. That's cool. Alright. Temperance. Okay, that's interesting. The Devil. Okay. That's different. He's got like the pentagram here, the upside down pentagram. He's crying. He's got a woman in his hand. Oh, he's got the horns. Oh, I just noticed that. He's got the goat here. And they're chained together. Guy's in his hand. That's wild. I'm really digging this card. That's very like detailed. Okay. Let's see, the Tower. I like that because it's more than two people this time around. You know. And you got the three hands and everything. Alright, so we got the Star. The Moon. Oh, I like that. Moon's crying and everything, and then you see the moon right here. That's awesome. That's very cool. The Sun. Judgment. It's just laid back, just playing the horn. And the Universe. Alright, now, finally, let's put this aside. And let's get to the minor. Minor. Okay, let's go. Minor Arcana. Do I need to separate any more of them? Yeah, give me a second, guys. Okay. I don't want to show too much of the deck before I go through it. So just give me a second. Let me separate these things. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, so you guys might have to do this too when you get your deck. But that's all good. It doesn't matter to me. As long as it's not, you know, peeling from the previous card, then we're all good. Alright. Feels about right now. Feels a little bit more loose. Yep. Ooh, I like that. Okay. This is a strong deck, as you can see. It's strong. So. Alright, so here we go. The Ace of Torches. Two of Torches. So, okay, so torches are for wands this time around. Okay, 4 torches. 5. 6. 7. You know, I really do like this. We got the 8 because of the fact that 9. It's we actually get some illustration. You know what I mean? So, wow, look at that. The princess. That's cool. Got the prince here. The queen. I love how everything is on fire around them. I love it. Alright, here we go. So, cups. Alright. Here we go. Ace of Cups. 2 of Cups. We got the 3, 4. Yeah, I really appreciate the detail in illustration and artwork. I'm really digging this. Because sometimes, other people will just put like the suits and just focus on like the princess, prince, queen, king, and the ace, and then like just the regular court cards. It's a bunch of like symbols. Wow, this is nice, man. I can really, I am really digging this deck, guys. And girls, women as well. Wow. I really dig this because, like, she's on the verge of releasing herself, but not quite. You know? It's pretty cool. I like this. Oh, man, this is such a cool freaking deck. Oh, man. I actually can't wait to use this deck in my reads. Like, this is gonna be cool, man. Queen of Swords, King of Swords. Now, I'm not gonna lie. When it comes to the swords, I don't really see air. You know, I see the person flying, but I don't know. I guess I don't really see the whole elements in the sword signs. That's what I'm trying to get at. Like for the wands and the cups, you had the water. The the swords though, they're all red if I'm not mistaken. I'm really digging them, but yeah, they're all like red. Like they start. They should have had like this like a. I guess they didn't want to do red because of the. I don't know. I don't know why they went with red. Maybe because of conflict, and there's always conflict with the swords and truth. I do know that Pentacles, though. Hopefully they stick with this theme. So let's see. Alright, so we got the ace. We got some of that reddish here. More like a peach tone, if you can see. Yeah. We got the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so I do like the fact that they got the green undertone with the bushes and the earth. So that's cool. But they're focusing way too much on the pink instead of like drawing out more color. Like this one right here, this could have been like a nice wooden green and everything like that. A nice with the sunrise or sunset, whatever they had in mind. But all these pinks, they pretty much just like blend together in a weird way. And pretty much more like a psychedelic type of thing. Eight of Pentacles. I don't know. I don't know what they were going for with these two cards. I'll tell you that much. I don't really see him working. Maybe he's, I guess, working on stacking up his pentacles. He's stacking up his pentacles. But what's this one like? You're looking at the pentacles that are floating in the air? I don't know. Anyway, let's see. 9, 10. This looks depressing. Where's the, like... This is such a depressing 10 of Pentacles. Wow. Okay. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use this deck that much. It's very dreary. You're just laying there, just counting your freaking pentacles, or just surrounded by pentacles. Princess, Prince, Queen, King. Oh. Oh. This is interesting. This reminds me of what is this deck called? Oh my gosh. This reminds me of one of my other decks that I truly adore. I rarely use it because it's such a high quality deck. But that deck came with an extra card. Oh man, this is I believe it was my Insight deck, if I'm not mistaken. You could there's a video. I'll put it in the annotations. But yeah, this is cool. I wonder what they were going for with the night and the morning. Huh. I like this because it's like someone's thinking about you at night, or they talk about you or anything like that, or someone's usually thinks about you in their dreams, maybe. Oh, the cosmic slumber. So yeah, that is this. I'm okay. I take back. I probably will use this and implement this deck into my readings. It's just that there's a few cards that just felt off to me. All right. Moment of truth. How does it shuffle? Let's see here. Let's get an even amount of cards in each hand. I'm going to have to stand up for this, which is kind of lame. I don't really like standing up all too much. I usually like to put more cards on the right hand side when I shuffle. At least a few more cards. All right, here we go. Okay. This is a very strong deck. Good to shuffle. It's going to take a few, but it will bend this way. I don't know if it'll bend up and like do that weird curve thing that the cards usually do. But just know that this last one will always bend a little bit more, so you might end up having to like bend it forward a little bit. As for rifling, you can rifle through the deck very easily. All right. Do one more. All right. Give me a quick second. I usually do this as I'm going through and I'm, okay. I'm just trying to bless the deck and thank it for coming into this beautiful world of mine. All right, guys, so that's it. Let's go ahead and put this back in here. Get up there. All right. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna use this deck and check it out and play with it some more. I really do like the box. Would like to see different color options, to be honest. Like a blue, green, or red, versions. But there you have it, folks. The Cosmic Slumber Tarot. Tell me, what did you guys think about it? I'm actually very interested in what you guys think. I do have another set of videos coming out pretty soon. Just waiting for the decks to arrive. Also, I still am planning to do that giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I will be getting the As Above, So Below box set pretty soon, around possibly around Christmas time. I'm planning on doing the giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Well, you know what? Maybe I'll do it for Halloween. I'm not too sure, because it is like that type of deck, but it could also be used for Christmas as well. I'm not too sure. I'll keep you updated. Oh, you saw my vape just now. Sorry. Let's see what else. What other announcements do I have? That's it for now. I mean, I don't really want to say what decks I have coming in. I like to, surprise you guys. If now I did do a few tarot readings beforehand on the channel. If you guys are interested in more tarot readings, letting me know down in the comment section would definitely help, because I'm actually thinking about starting some live readings and and bringing back the regular, weekly and monthly readings for the signs as well. So as far as I'm concerned, as long as you guys want more content like that and more unboxings, I'm down for it. You know what I mean? Till next time, folks. I love you guys. Later. Blessed be, fam. Blessed be.